Hey guys, today I was going to do a run on the 3D printed car. I was going through some footage and realized I've never actually done my car run. So I got 3S 1800 milliamp fluorine LiPo with a 30C discharge, 9 gram high torque servo for steering, and a Chinese speed controller. And this is on high right now, but I'll do a speed run on low. But I already know the top speed is around 40 miles an hour, but this is low. Sorry about this, I gotta get the trim all set up, it's all off. So that's on low. Now, we're gonna switch it to... There we go. Now it's on high. You can hear the difference. It has a RPM limiter in the gears, so like if there's too much torque, it'll make that grinding sound. It's just hopping off the spring in there. That happens. There's a big bump in the middle of the road. Looks to be okay, so we're gonna go for it. Yeah, it doesn't have a ton of traction, even though these are basically slicks. Yeah, out of control. Oop, I even hit the camera there for a second. Yeah. Anyway, there we go. So what I mean by this thing is out of control. I think I said that in the first one when I made this thing. It can break itself so easily. And this is when I first got my printer, so I mean... I'm not even actually able to hit full speed with a 3S LiPo. As you can see, it kind of hops at the middle part there. Yeah, a lot of torque. Yeah, that's about 40 miles an hour. So I'll see you guys in the next video of the WPL running.